Hey guys, welcome to the codecamp.org. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on macOS. Open your favorite browser. I'm using Safari. You can use whatever browser you want. Search for download VS Code. This will take you to the official website for Visual Studio Code. From here you need to select based on your Apple chip. If your MacBook Pro has Intel chip, you need to click on Intel. Mine is Intel, so I'm clicking on the Intel. If you have the latest one like Apple Silicon, so you need to click on the Apple Silicon. So the file is being downloaded. It will take couple seconds or couple minutes depending on your internet speed. So my internet seems to be fast, so it's done. You can click on the setup right here, so it will open the Visual Studio Code, but the problem is it's not in your application folder. It's opening it from the download folder. So quit and go to your download folder. As you can see, the Visual Studio Code file is here in the download folder. So all you need to do, just drag and drop it in the application folder. As you can see, it's in the application folder, so you can go to your Launchpad to see all the application. You can open it from here, or you can do like simply Spotlight search. On Mac you need to click on command and space bar. It will open the Spotlight search like this, and you can search for VS Code. And then you can open. So this is how you install and configure Visual Studio Code on macOS. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.